We're in the Gunners Club, mate.
We are, mate.
Hey, we are.
Unreal.
And we got a special guest, mate. A special guest. Came all the way from up north, he did. Hey, just to visit our humble bar.
It's a long walk.
It
took me ages.
Yeah, it'll be a longer crawl back.
That's all right. I'm looking forward to it. Should be good.
Mark, we go back a long way.
You do, mate.
We do go back a long way.
A long time.
Drinking buddies from,
Way back.
way back.
Way back.
And you brought something with you today.
I did.
You did. And we're going to try it out.
Yeah.
I've never tried this before. And you tell me that you haven't tried it either.
No, not yet.
So, we're both virgins at this.
Yes.
Hey? The first time for everything.
Let's break it in.
That's the one. Exactly. I like the way you think. So, what are we talking about? We're talking about this little baby over here. And I'm champing at the bit. I am. I'm champing. Can you tell? I'm champing.
Mate, got to hold your back.
Yeah. I'm champing at the bit to try this out. This is what we're talking about. Check this out. Right? Ole Smoky salted caramel. Now, this is a bourbon, isn't it?
Yes.
It's a Tennessee Mountain Made. Wow, okay. This is interesting. Actually, I don't mind the bottle.
Yeah, looks good.
It's like a flask, only it's an awfully big flask.
Yeah. Bit hard to hide down your pants.
Exactly.
But you could.
Yeah.
If you had to.
If you had to. I do like the bottle. It doesn't look bad.
Could be hip flask for a giant.
Yeah.
For a 7-foot person.
That's it.
Perfect.
What do you reckon?
Yeah.
We crack it?
Yeah. Get it out.
Huh?
Get into it.
Do you want to do the honour?
Why? Could do that.
Go.
Right.
Go.
Let's
Do
open
it.
up.
Do it. You know you want to. I've heard people say you want to.
I'm gonna.
Yeah.
Alright. Well, it's got a cork in it. Is that a cork? Yep.
Oh, look at that.
Looks alright. Alright. You have first crack.
Ooh.
Smells good.
Ooh. Check your snout in that.
Could be dangerous.
I hope so. Yeah.
Even sounds good.
Oh, listen to that, will you?
Hey.
Where's yours?
Sounds drunk already.
So, what have we got here? This is... trying to read it. 750... Oh, this is 30% alcohol.
Okay.
Okay, so it's not your 40. So it's okay. So it's more like a liqueur as opposed to a straight up whiskey as such.
Yeah.
Bourbon whiskey. Okay. So what do we got? Salted caramel.
Give it a whirl.
Tell you what. First impression. That's
Smells
nice.
nice.
Doesn't it?
It smells dangerous.
It's just how I like them. It's like women, really, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes.
Try it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that's creamy. Definite. Wow. It's like a second wave. Definitely salty, and then the caramel comes through it, like afterwards.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, this would be nice by fire, wouldn't it?
Yeah, yeah. Yep. Yep.
Wow.
That's good. I like that.
I wasn't expecting that. That's not bad.
I think it just nice. Just sip it.
Yeah.
Not take big gulps of it.
Oh, not that that's ever stopped me. Oh, that is nice.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm surprised.
Yeah, yeah.
That's not bad.
That's nice.
Oh, I could have me some more of that.
I reckon. You know what? It's probably not what you normally do, but I like things like this. Probably chilled in a fridge in a real super cold glass with ice in it.
Yep.
Yeah.
But
Something
I think with ice,
yeah, it may take the.
It will take some of the edge off it.
Yeah.
It's like whiskey when you put a bit of ice in it. It means you're actually taking off the flavour profile.
Yeah.
This is how you taste the real the real flavour in the bottle.
Yes.
This is the story about moonshine. Not just any moonshine, but the best dang moonshine and whiskey born in the Great Smoky Mountains, Ole Smoky. For years, we followed in the footsteps of our ancestors in creating the smoothest tasting moonshine and whiskey around. And what better way to honor that tradition than sharing the bold taste of a southern legend with the rest of the world?
Just straight as it is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it's not burning, it's not hot, it's not overly spirity.
No.
It's just
It's good.
It's just bursting with flavour. It's beautiful.
I like it. Nice choice. Good choice, I reckon.
Well, you bought it.
Something different. I'll give it a crack.
Yeah. So, okay. What are we talking about? How much are we talking about here?
Around $55
Okay.
a bottle. Yep.
That's not bad, is it, really?
Depending on which place you buy it from.
Yeah. Oh, 750 ml.
Yeah,
so, I mean, it's a standard bottle, really.
Yes.
It's deceiving because of the shape of the bottle.
Of the bottle, yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
So, it's a standard bottle.
Easy to stash.
That's the one.
Yeah, easy to hide.
Yeah. I quite like that.
Yeah, it's nice.
It's full flavour, straight up flavour. That is amazingly good.
It is nice. I'm impressed.
Would I buy it? You know what? If I walked in to Dan's or any of these bloody big box liquor stores, I'd probably walk right past that without a second thought. Now that I've tasted it.
You're looking for it. I know I'm going to get another one.
I think so.
Yeah.
And I don't say that easily. I would definitely put that in my bar and have that as a daily. That is brilliant.
Yeah, that's nice. Yeah. And I think the more you have it, the more you get used to it. Like, not used to it, but you get more zoned into that flavour.
Yes.
And you can find more flavour in it. And
I think you need another one.
I'm just gobsmacked.
Just
don't know what to say. Just don't know what to say. Just taking my breath away. It's just Mickey Mouse.
Grouse, mate.
Ace. Sorry. Yeah, we're old.
Oh, yeah.
That's even better when you take a bigger mouthful.
That's what she said.
They say that, don't they?
They do. And you thought this was going to be a G-rated video, didn't you?
Of course. Well, things progress into other things. Just how it goes.
I like this. This is good. I could most definitely have me some more of that.
Yeah.
What else have you tried recently in booze? I don't want to get too personal, you know.
Nothing real and pretty basic.
You're pretty basic.
Pretty basic.
You're
I'm easy pleased.
Yeah, you're a Bundy and Coke man.
I am.
Hey, as Aussie as it comes.
Yep.
A Bundy and Coke.
Yep.
And you're give him a few Bundy and Cokes and he's anyone's.
I'm a yobbo from way back.
Yeah, yobbo.
Bogan from way back.
Yeah. Okay. So you
just refined a little bit now.
Oh, refined. Is that because of age?
Yeah. And a bit of chrome.
A bit of chrome.
Yeah.
Now you're also another YouTuber, aren't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. You've got a channel.
I have.
And it's growing quite well.
Yeah, it's going alright. Yeah.
It's going okay.
Yeah.
You. What do? You go. You're an off-road motorbikes and four-wheel drive channel.
Yeah. Adventure bike riding and four-wheel driving and camping.
Oh, yeah.
Adventure camping.
Well, tell them who you are.
Yep. Mark's Moto Adventures.
Mark's Moto Adventures.
Mark's Moto Adventures.
Yeah.
And we pretty much go camping everywhere we can, sort of thing, when time allows us to do it. Oh, look at that. He's onto it already. Alright. Going good. Beautiful. Boys are into it. Having a race. Electric saw against electric saw. The lads are doing a good job. Ooh, Chris has got a nice sharp chain. Got some pretty good chips there for an electric banger. The old Craigie boy going. He's just having a bit of a play here. Oh, Strude, look out. What sort of fuel do you charge up your batteries with? Diesel. Diesel, oh nice. That's the go. On motorbikes, enduro bikes and adventure bikes as well.
Yeah,
So big bikes, little bikes. And I'm also into four-wheel driving.
Aren't we all?
Yes.
God, do you remember playing in the bog hole?
The playpen.
That's the one?
Yeah, the good old days. Yep.
So what's that channel? Because you got 2 channels.
Yes, I have. Yep.
So what's that second one?
It's called GQ Datsun 4x4.
How the hell did you come up with that name?
Well, no one else has got it, so I thought I'd have something a bit different. And because I've got a GQ Patrol, so I thought, well, why not? Yeah.
But it's not a Datsun, it's a Nissan.
Well, it used to be a Datsun.
Yeah.
It's a Nissan now.
Well, this is true.
Yes.
This is true.
Yeah. Back in the early days.
When Nissan
Datsun,
were in Australia, they
yeah.
were actually called Datsun.
Datsun.
There wasn't any such thing as Nissan.
No, that's right.
That's right.
And then the changeover was around the MQ stage of the Patrols, and you see the
That's
back of
right.
the shorties and the long wheel base, you'd have Datsun on one side and Nissan on the other side.
Ah, that's right. Yeah.
That was the initial changeover into Nissan.
Yeah.
Yeah, when they changed over. Yeah, so I call it Datsun.
There you go.
Your big red Dado.
Yeah. We're going to put a couple of photos up of his monster.
Yep. Yep, wrinkle red.
Wrinkle red.
Wrinkle red.
That's a little bit like your complexion.
Yeah. Yeah. On the hard days.
On the hard days.
Yeah.
How do you like your YouTubing experience so far?
Good fun.
Yeah?
Yeah. Enjoying putting stuff together and video and stuff, and boys. Well, back in the early days when we used to go four-wheel drive, and we used to have our little video cameras and we used to video stuff.
That's right.
And we enjoyed doing that. And then we'd go back to your place or my place and we'd watch it on the TV. And then we'd have a giggle.
Yeah.
And
watch each other get bogged. And
yeah.
Like that.
Yeah. Just having a bit of lunch. Down by the river.
And now it's out there for everyone to see forever.
Forever. And me too.
And me.
Yeah.
That's it.
When I'm old and decrepit in a wheelchair somewhere or stuck in a nursing home, I can look back at it and go, oh.
So tomorrow then?
Well, it's coming. It's coming. I can look back at it and go, oh, that was me 25 years ago, 30
Back
years ago.
in my day.
Yeah.
Hanging on to your walking frame.
That's right. Yeah. Like a good little camp spot near the beach. Heaps cooler down here now, as you can see. We're right on the beach, on the coastline. It's what, 22 degrees. So yeah, it's pretty comfy now. It's good.
So is it something that you would recommend for others?
Yeah, get out there.
Get out there, do it.
Yeah.
Just do it.
Just do it. Bloody oath.
Well,
if you're into it, do it. And if you're not into it, just do it anyway, because then you'll know if you're into it or not.
That's a good point, isn't it?
Yeah, you won't know until you try. Challenge yourself.
Well,
just a little.
That.
Better have a bit more.
I reckon so.
Better challenge ourselves again.
Well, you won't know until you try it.
That's right.
A second time.
Yeah.
Because, I'll do anything once and twice if I like it.
It's going good.
Check this out, guys.
It's going good.
I would suggest you stick this in your bar, because that is exceptional for that money. I really think.
That's better second time round.
That's what she said.
Well, she's liking it. Doesn't touch me rum. It's sitting on the side. It's going, what about me? What about me? No, about you, Jack. You can sit over there.
Well, we came prepared. We had, ready to. I think you're right. This is exceptional.
It's good gear.
I was not expecting that.
No.
I will definitely have that in my bar.
Yeah.
And if I'm going to spend the money, I will definitely spend it on that.
Yeah.
No doubt about it. It's not sponsored, although in time, you never know. Dan Murphy, if you're listening, hey, give me a call, all right? I'll get your people to contact my people.
Put that on the bike, tuna and noodles, and some Ole Smoky.
You really know how to live, don't you? Hey?
It's the full house. Oh, extreme limits.
That's it. This is the first time we tried it. We reckon it's a bit of okay.
I like it. It's good. And I'm fussy.
Yep.
I like it. Well, easy please, but fussy.
Yeah, easy.
That makes sense.
Give us a like and a subscribe.
Yes.
And we'll catch you on the next one.
Yeah, we will.
See ya.
See ya. Cheers, guys.